All right, it's here. Arrived via FedEx, my Shaklee nutrition products. A couple of good friends of mine, Kay and Richard Beers, introduced me to Shaklee not too long ago. Let me sample a couple of the products. I was really impressed. Now, I work out regularly. I go to the gym. I ride my bicycle when I can. My eating and nutrition habits, not so great. So I'm looking forward to trying out Shaklee, and we're going to open it up and see what's in there. Get ready to reset and feel better in 30 days, guaranteed. Safe, proven, guaranteed. Let's create a clean, healthy world together. Let's do that. Okay, what do we have here? We have a Shaklee grocery tote, and there's something in here. Put this aside for now. And this is the Shaklee product catalog for 2022. And judging by the thickness, there's quite a bit of products in here. So I am looking forward to browsing through this sucker. This is just my paperwork. So this is what I'm going to start out with, the 7-day healthy cleanse. Improves focus and energy, enhances mood and sleep quality, supports detox and digestive health. It jumpstarts weight loss and reduces cravings. Sounds like a plan to me. It tells you what it's in here. Is probiotic, liver DTX complex, alfalfa complex, and Herbalax. Okay, so now I have done some homework on these, so I think there should be there's a night, a morning and a night pack for, okay, so. Yeah. And did I see? I sure did. It's an instruction booklet in here. So, okay, good. They give you some instructions. 7-day healthy cleanse. Now get rid of any foods and beverages to embrace. All right. Yeah, that's me. Okay. Foods and beverages to avoid. Oh, that's important. All right. So this is, then once you're through with all that, you get into this good stuff here. This is the Vitalizer Gold, which is the dietary supplements, 30 Vita strips, and it tells you what's in here. Vitally Advanced Multivitamin, B plus C Complex, Caroti Omega, I think I'm pronouncing that right, Optiflora Pearl Probiotic. Okay, and then you get these strips. Okay, there's 30 of these for 30 days worth. You take these once a day. Okay, oh, cool. All right, and then you get not one, but two of the Shaklee Life Shake Rich Chocolate Plant Protein. Delicious all-in-one meal. Clinically proven to help create the foundation for a longer, healthier life. Alrighty. So I did have a chance to sample one of these shakes, and they're really good. I'm not going to lie to you and say it's Dairy Queen, but it wasn't bad. Tasted nice and chocolatey and smooth, and I didn't have any problem with it. So 20 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, 24 vitamins and minerals. It's gluten-free, that's important. Vegan, that's important to a lot of people. Non-GMO and low glycemic. And it's signed, it's autographed by Dr. Shaklee himself. All right, so this one too, and I believe that's everything. All right. Just to recap, we have the handy-dandy Shaklee grocery tote. We have the Shaklee 2022 product catalog. And 7-day healthy cleanse, the Vitalizer Gold dietary supplements with 30 Vita strips, and not one, but two of the Shaklee Life Shake Rich Chocolate Plant Protein based meal replacement shakes. So I'm going to get off here so I can get started.